Okay. Select the answer contains only fossil fuels. We have learned what fossil fuels are. So we should select the answer which contains only fossil fuels. So what should be the answer? Coal, sawdust, firewood. Firewood, you know that it's a biomass. This is also a biomass. Petroleum oil, firewood, petroleum gas, coal, active carbon, petroleum gas, coal, petroleum gas, petroleum oil and petroleum gas. What should be the answer? Yes, I have taught you all the fossil fuels. So answer should be the fourth one, coal, petroleum oil, petroleum gas, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. The amount of matter in an object is referred as amount of matter. What do you mean by matter? Yes? Yes, matter is the mass, right? Matter means it has a mass. So the answer should be mass. We are not talking about volume, weight, and energy. Right? Okay. Then given below are there are statements related with light. Light is an energy. Now they say that light is an energy. Light is transmitted in a straight line. We know that light is an energy, and we know I have explained in my lessons that light is transmitted in a straight line. Can you remember the activity I sent you? There's an activity which can be done using a torch and by keeping a comb. So you can see some rays and a beam, right? So from those activities, we get to know that light is transmitted in a straight line. Let's have a look at the next one. The narrow path in which light is transmitted is known as a light beam. The narrow path, පොඩි කෙටි මාර්ගය, light transmit වෙන, light ගමන් කරන narrow path එකට කියන්නේ light beam එකක්ලු. Is that true? No. Now, it is known as a ray, right? When we have a collection of rays, රේස් කීපයක් එකතු වුණාම තමයි ලයිට් බීම් එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. පටු පාත් එක මොකක්ද එතකොට? ඒකට කියන්නේ අපි රේ එකක් කියලා. ඒ රේස් ගොඩාක් එකතු වුණාම තමයි ලයිට් බීම් එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. So the correct statements are, what are the correct statements? A and B, isn't it? Yes. The couple of musical instruments which produce sound in the same way is the couple of musical instruments which produce sound in the same ways. එකම විදිහට sounds produce කරන instruments දෙකක් මොකක්ද? Rabana and violin. Rabana is a type of a drum. Violin, it belongs to the sitar and violin, guitar, they belong to one category. So guitar and flute, you use air to play flute. Guitar is something which you can play with your fingers. Rabana and flute, then again Rabana belongs to drum section and flute is different. Violin and the guitar, isn't it? Violin, yes, we play. We can hear something similar by a violin and a guitar. Okay, then ඒ දෙකෙන් එකම වගේ music එකක් තමයි produce වෙන්නේ. Which of the following is an incorrect statement about sound and hearing? Sound and hearing. What is the incorrect statement? That means the wrong statement. Okay, now you all should find the wrong statement. Let's find out the answer. Sound is produced due to vibrations. We know that when we beat a drum, it produces sound due to vibration. So it's correct. Sound that are sung or played rhythmically are known as music. We know that it's true. I gave you all the definition. The excess music sound are not disturbance to ears. Excess කියලා කියන්නේ වැඩිපුර සද්දේ. right? Excess music sound are not disturbance. Disturbance වෙන්නේ නැහැයිලු කනට. ඒක හරිද? වැඩිපුර ශබ්ද කනට වැටෙනකොට ඒක disturbance එකක් වෙනව නේද? not disturbance කියන්න බෑ. Disturbance එකක්. So that is wrong. And unrhythmic sounds are known as noises. Yes, that's true. Unrhythmic sounds are known as noises. So what is the incorrect statement? The third one. The excess music sound are not disturbance to ears. Let's go to the next one. When hang a bar magnet steadily from the string to the stand and let it to be still. Can you all remember? I have given this diagram in my posters, right? So there I have hung a bar magnet steadily using a string, and I have shown that I have fixed it to a wooden pole, right? Now, poles of the magnet stay still in the east and west. Poles of the magnet stay still in north and south. Poles of the magnetic south stay still, not still, it should be still, stay still in north direction. Cannot be said about the direction. Yes, what should be the answer? Yes, we are not going to talk about east and west when we are referring to a bar magnet. We are talking about north and south, isn't it? So the answer should be, now, we can't take only north direction. Now, the magnet will move and stay steadily towards north and south both, right? So the answer should be poles of the magnet stay still in north and south. North side එකක north පැත්තට හැරෙනවා, south side එකක south පැත්තට හැරෙනවා. We are not talking about east and west, and we can't take only one direction. Cannot be said about the direction. We do that activity to find the north and south directions. So this answer should be the second one. Given below are two instances of placing two bar magnets kept closer to each other. We have done this one also, right? So I have shown you clearly in the posters regarding the same poles and different poles. What happens when you take same poles and same poles together, and what happens if we take different poles together? The observation can be gained by the instances of A and B are. Now this is A and this is B, right? Now look at A. They have taken different directions together. Look at B. They have taken same directions together, south and south. Attracted in A, repelled in B, repelled in A, attracted in B, attracted in A and B, repelled in A and B. What should be the answer? Yes? Yes. Now different directions get attracted to each other. Same directions get repelled. So attracted in A, repelled in B. Answer should be the first one. It's clear, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. In which instance can be used a magnet to separate only one substance from it? In which instance can be used a magnet to separate only one substance from it? Substance, one substance from it. එක substance එකක් වෙන් කරන්න magnet එකකින් මොනවද අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන්? Sand and oil, iron powder, aluminium and copper. මේ දෙකම attract වෙනවා, separate වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Salt and sand. Salt and sand. Separate only one substance. එක substance එකක් විතරක් separate වෙන එකක් මොකද්ද? Salt and sand. මේ දෙකම attract වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ දෙකම අයින් වෙනවා. එකක් නෙමෙයි. අපිට කියන්නේ only one substance හොයන්න කියලා. එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. මේ දෙකම අයින් වෙනවා. මේ දෙකම bar magnet එකට attract වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ දෙක මොකද වෙන්නේ? Aluminium and copper. Aluminium and copper gets attracted. දෙකම attract වෙනවා. මේ දෙකම attract වෙන්නේ නැහැ. අපිට හොයන්න ඕනේ එකක් attract වෙන එකක් තියෙන එකක්. Iron pins and needles, මේ දෙකම attract වෙනවා. So what is the answer? What should be the answer? Sand. Sand won't get attracted. It will it won't get attracted, but iron powder will get attracted. So we have one instance, one substance which will get separated if we take a magnet, right? So the answer should be sand and iron powder, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. A procedure that can be followed to sustainable use of energy source is a procedure that can be followed. Now, if you can't understand a question, read it twice or thrice. Then you will get a clear idea about the question, right? Then you can attempt in answering the question. A procedure that can be followed. අපිට මොකද්ද ගන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රියාමාර්ගය? අනුගමනය කරන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රියාමාර්ගය මොකද්ද? To sustainable use of energy sources is. අපිට මේ energy sources දිගටම පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රමයක් මොනවද? Yes? Provide facilities to every family to buy a motor vehicle. Can we do that? Provide facilities to every family to buy a motor vehicle. අපිට පුළුවන් ද හැම ගෙදරකටම facility එකක් හරි ගස්සන්න මේ car එකක් motor vehicle එකක් ගන්න? No, we can't do that. That's impossible. Generate electricity using solar panels. We can do that. We can get the help of solar panels and generate electricity. That's easy. Construct more diesel power stations. For that you need lot of money. It will take lot of time and it will take lot of money. It's a very big task. Construct more diesel power stations, right? And you need manpower also. Laborers la කීප දෙනෙක් ගොඩ දෙනෙක් දාලා තැන් තැන් වල ගොඩාක් සල්ලි යනවා කාලය යන වැඩක් ඒක, right? Then using bottle lamps to illuminate houses. Bottle lamps වලින් කරන්න පුළුවන් වැඩක්ද illuminated houses? Will all the people do that? No, but this is possible. Generate electricity using solar panels, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Kidney diseases are most abundant among humans. The reason for it is, yes, what is the cause of why do people get kidney diseases? Let's read the answers and see. Using of much agrochemicals in agricultural field, addition of industrial waste materials to water resources, do not drink adequate amount of water. Kidney diseases comes due to insufficient of water. අපි ප්‍රමාණවත් විදිහට වතුර බොන්නේ නැති වුනහමයි සහ දූෂිත ජලය පාවිච්චි කරාම polluted water පරිභෝජනයට ගත්තාම. So මේ ඔක්කොම වෙන්නේ දැන් මේ using of much agrochemicals in the agricultural field මේක නිසා water pollute වෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට kidney diseases ඇති වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒ වතුර ගත්තාම පාවිච්චියට. Addition of industrial waste materials to water resources. This is also another way of polluting water. Once we take those water, once we try to drink them, we will get kidney diseases. So that is also true. Do not drink of adequate amount of water. Adequate කියලා කියන්නේ අතිතරම්. අතිතරම් වතුර අපි බිව්වේ නැති වුණාම අපිට kidney diseases ඇති වෙනවා. අපිට වකුගඩු අමාරු ඇති වෙනවා. So all of the above. It should be all of the above.